Hello and welcome to the 10th video in this series showing you how to restore a Triumph Herald and Vitesse. In this video I'm going to show you how to repair the front wheel arches. I will start by removing all of the old underseal. The cleaner the metal is, the better your welding will be. The underseal also needs to be removed before going to the blasters, because the blasting process will not remove it. After I've removed all of the underseal, I can have a good inspection to see what repairs need to be done. Not much to be repaired on this side. Thankfully, it seems to be in quite good condition, just a couple of patches either end. Then I need to fit a right angle flange, which will allow me to fit the wheel arch back to the front wing. Now I'm cutting off all of the old right angle flange before fitting a repair piece each end. This patch is not as difficult as it looks. First make your cardboard template, then cut the patch. After making your repair piece, try it on the wheel arch, then mark around it to make your cut this way. The repair piece should fit more accurately. After cutting out the corrosion, you can then tack your repair piece in position. Tacking only where it is flush. Where it's not flush, you can get it flush with a hammer and dolly before welding, as seen here. The same applies for the patch on this end. After the patch has been fitted, all I need to do is tack on the right angle flange. You must clamp a brace as shown here before welding, because the weld will shrink as it cools and pull each end of the wheel arch in as it shrinks and cools. You must leave the brace on until after it's welded and all gone cold, because the grinding will cause more heat and shrinking, so leave the brace on until all welding and grinding has been done and all completely gone cold. Now that one is finished, the other side is pretty much the same, so there's not much point in showing you all the same again. Now here are the wheel arches. They are media blasted and cleaned, ready to be primed and fitted back on the bonnet. In the next video, there's a lot more work to be done on the bonnet assembly. If you subscribe to my YouTube channel, you can watch the whole series of these videos restoring this Vitesse from something like this to something like this. more repairs to the bonnet assembly. See you then. If you would like to see this vitesse being fully restored with lots of detail from this to this, then please subscribe to my YouTube channel.